I Do at Leisure.
This is Tiara.
And Mackenzie. This week our food of the week is going to be broccoli. We are going to tell you a few facts about broccoli, show you how we're going to cut it up, and then after we are going to go ahead and make some broccoli cheddar soup.
So a few fun facts about broccoli is a vegetable. It's also part of the cabbage family, and 1 cup of broccoli contains about 31 calories per cup.
Okay, so broccoli typically comes in a green color. However, there are other variations, including broccoli with a purple tint and then white broccoli. 1 cup of broccoli contains no cholesterol in it. Finally, there are 2 grams of sugar and 1 cup of chopped broccoli.
So we already got the broccoli that is smaller. We didn't get a head of broccoli, so I'm going to show you how we're going to cut the broccoli to prep it for the soup. So I'll show you on this one. This one's a little too big for the soup, so we're just going to go ahead and cut it smaller. And those are about the sizes that we would want for our soup.
So here is all the ingredients we are going to be putting into our broccoli cheddar soup. We have some carrots, onions, salt and pepper, some garlic powder, some chicken bouillon, butter, cream cheese, celery, and then vegetable broth. And then of course the broccoli. Now we are going to just dice up our onion.
So now we are going to throw in about a tablespoon of butter into a saucepan or a pot on medium heat. We're going to wait for that to melt for a second. Now that our butter is melted a majority, we're going to toss in our onions to saute. And we are going to wait for our onions to get softened and golden brown. I have 2/3 of a cup of milk. I'm going to throw in about 2 heaping spoonfuls of flour. I'm going to take a whisk and whisk it. Now we are going to pour in our milk and flour mixture slowly. And we're going to throw in our broccoli. And now we are going to cut up some carrots. So now we are going to pour in some vegetable broth slowly. So that was 2 cups. We're going to add 2 more cups. I'm going to stir this. I'm going to go ahead and chop some celery as well. Now we're going to add our carrots and celery. And we're going to turn it up to bring this to a boil, and we're going to add in some cream cheese. soup is boiling, we're going to add some pepper. And some salt. Some garlic powder. And some chicken bouillon. To mix it. Vegetables are close to being done. We're going to throw in our cheese. I cut them up so they melt a little bit easier. Then you are just going to stir until the cheese is completely melted. So this is our ending result of the broccoli cheddar soup, and we'll see you next week with our food of the week.
Bye guys.
Bye.